Good day, sir. This is Edmundo Ramos from BSE 1B. This is my video presentation in organic agriculture. Organic agriculture refers to the method of farming that emphasizes the use of natural process and material, avoiding synthetic chemical like pesticide, fertilizer, and genetically modified organism (GMO). The goals of organic agriculture is to produce food and substances environmentally friendly manner while promoting biodiversity and soil health. The principle of agriculture. First, health. Organic agriculture aims to sustain and improve the health and well-being of soil, plant, animal, and human, and focus growing food that is free from synthetic chemical, using that it is healthier for both an environmental and consumer. Second, ecology. Organic farming system work in harmony with nature, promoting ecological balance and the biodiversity. The emphasis is on maintaining soil fertilizer through natural process such as crops rotation, green manure, and compensing health ensures long-term sustainability. And the third is fairness. Organic agriculture aims to ensure fairness in a relationship with both producer and consumer. It promotes fair working conditions, decent wage, and equitable access to healthy food and all environment in the food chain. And the fourth is care. Organic farming practices are designed with care and responsibility for the environment and future generations. This principle advocates for the responsible management of natural resources and ensure sustainability, reduce pollution, and preserve ecosystem. And the fifth is soil management. Emphasize and place on maintaining and enhancing soil health through practices such as composting, mulching, and crops rotation. The goal is to build a retained soil fertility naturally with the relying on synthetic fertilizer or pesticide. Biodiversity. Organic agriculture encourages biodiversity both in terms of the variety of crops grown and the preservation of natural habitats. Reserve farming system reduce pest outbreak, improve resilience to disease, and promote overall ecosystem sustainability. And the last is sustainability. Organic farming method and to create sustainable closed-loop system where input and minimize and waste and reduce to approach ensures that agriculture can continue to meet the needs and present our future generation with depleting natural resources. Importance of organic agriculture. Soil fertility. Organic farming ensures soil in structure, fertility, and microbial activity, leading to long-term agricultural productivity. Example: composting using decomposed organic material to each soil nutrient. Green manure, planting cover crops and cover legumes. To naturally fertilize in soil, crop rotation. Importance of organic agriculture. First, soil health and fertility. Organic farming practices focus on maintaining and improving soil health, which is essential of sustainable food production. By avoiding systemic chemical and fertilizer, organic farming use natural methods and increase to soil. Second, environmental sustainability. Organic agriculture plays a significant role in reducing negativity environmental impact caused by conventional farming. Soil and third is biodiversity and ecosystem balance. Organic farming promotes biodiversity by maintaining natural habitats and reducing harm in non-target species, such as pollinators and beneficial insects. The fourth is human health and food safety. One of the main advantages of organic farming is potential to improve human health and providing food that is free from synthetic chemical and pesticide. The last is economic and social benefit for farmers. Organic agriculture offers multiple economic and social benefits to farmers. Even through that transition of organic farming may require an essential investment